There are more armed conflicts in the world than any time since the end of the Cold War. All that is a stark reminder that peace can always be threatened, and no nation can take it for granted.
It is also pushing our shared goals for the future farther and farther away. Instead of fighting each other on the battlefield, humanity should be rallying together to tackle the common challenges we face, like poverty, hunger and inequality, climate change and biodiversity loss. The COVID-19 pandemic, which continues to devastate lives and economies alike,